my name is Sarah McLean, and I am a two-time breast cancer survivor, and I am the founder and executive director of an organization called Project 31. So Project 31 was started just from my own personal experience going through breast cancer. I was 25 the first time that I found it, and I was 34 the second time that I found it. And I just didn't realize all of the emotional toll that survivors and their families go through. And so my husband and I had gone to a lot of therapy that was really helpful for us, and there wasn't a lot of emphasis on the emotional side of this journey. And so we really just felt a burden to really come alongside survivors and their families and help them to have tools to really walk through this journey in as healthy a way as possible. And that's how Project 31 began. So the plan for us with the funds that we received today from Tabor Cares are to develop a marriage curriculum that we will use to really benefit marriages, because a lot of couples unfortunately don't make it through this journey because of the nature of breast cancer and how breast cancer really steals all of who we are as a woman, from our hair, our breasts, our fertility, intimacy. There's a lot of things that people don't talk about. And so we want to be intentional about creating tools that these couples can use to really help them have healthy communication. So I would say to somebody who's recently diagnosed that you are not alone, that there is a community out there of Project 31 Survivor Sisters who is ready and willing to walk alongside you. This journey is really long, and you need Survivor Sisters coming alongside you that understand just the language of cancer. You know, I know our family and friends, they love us and they do the best they can to support us, but there's something different about having your Survivor Sisters that can walk with you through the duration of the whole journey. And then to family and caregivers, likewise, I would say you're not alone, that we have husbands and we have caregivers who are ready and willing to walk alongside you as well, and to know that your pain is just as important as a survivor as well. I just want to say thank you to Tabor Homes. I'm so impressed by this organization because you guys are over the top generous. I feel like over the years now you've even had even more growth to be able to give to other local organizations, and that is truly a blessing to us. I love that you're local and we're local as well, and you're giving back to the local community, so we know that people in this community will be impacted because of your generosity, and I just want to say thank you.